Okay friends, welcome here at the Chickencoop. I did some work on the Chickencoop off camera. I've placed some chicken wire, so I need to fix this. And I have placed a gate. And now I need to put a wheel here at the bottom of the doors, so we can ride here on the pathway. And I need to fix something to secure it so that it's on lock. So I have this piece of iron. It was a piece from a car, I guess, from to lift the car up the creek. I'm not sure how to pronounce it in English. I have put some, how they call in English, not a screw, not, you get it. So I just need to weld it. So I'm gonna weld it here against the gate, and then I can open it, I guess, or sing it. And here I need to come up on an idea so it can be locked. So just need to weld this onto the gate. Before you can weld, you need to make sure the material you are welding is clean, so it hasn't any rust on it, because otherwise it won't stick onto the iron. So I'm using an angle grinder to clean the material. So I'm using this magnet so I can work with free hands. Put on welding cap, otherwise you can get blind. Some heat resistant gloves.
I don't wanna go up solo loco. Don't you wanna come with me like Yoko? We can go lose ourselves in Tokyo. No one's gonna know we'll move like locals.
Piece of aluminium where I could take a piece off, and then So now I'm just removing the sharp edges, otherwise we can cut ourselves. And then I need to drill a hole. Yeah, so a center punch, so the drill can. I'm gonna use a drill of and we have our hole. I'm gonna try and glue it with some special glue, so I don't need to drill in the concrete pole because it could break apart. But yeah, so I'm going to glue it and hope it will be strong enough. So
don't waste my time. Don't waste my butterflies in my eyes. All I see is you and I. Kind of blind, no, I can't seem to find a piece of me, a piece of mind. I don't mind you live forever as long as you'll be mine. You'll be mine every minute.
now we need to let it sit for a while because it's freezing and the normal temperature is 5 degrees. So yeah, we will see. So I've welded this wheel onto the gate so that we can open and close it. Here I need to pour some concrete, but and I need to do it with an angle grinder. Cut a little bit of this concrete so it can slide into it. That was a quick update on the chicken coop. So it has a gate, the chickens can't escape anymore, so I also need to put some iron tubes over it so I can lay down a roof so they can be dry when it's raining. And in the shed I also need to modify a few things, so but it's not finished yet.
Don't waste my time.